In this video, you'll learn how to turn on your Samsung A12 or A13 without using the power button. By following these steps, you will be able to power on your device even if the power button is not functioning correctly. Begin by connecting your Samsung A12 or A13 to a charger using a compatible charging cable and adapter. When plugged in, many Samsung devices will automatically power on without needing to press the power button. Make sure the charger is functioning properly to avoid any issues. Leave the device connected for a few seconds and keep an eye on the screen for the Samsung logo. If the battery was completely drained, it may take a moment for the device to respond. If the phone does not turn on automatically after connecting the charger, try the volume button method. Press and hold both the volume down and volume up buttons simultaneously. While continuing to hold these buttons, connect the USB cable to a computer or charger. This action may bring up a boot menu or recovery screen on some devices. Look for an option to restart the phone and follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. This method is particularly useful when the power button is not operational. Once your phone is powered on, navigate to the settings menu. Look for the accessibility or advanced features section. Within this area, you can enable options such as assistant menu or double tap to wake. Activating these features allows you to turn on or interact with your phone without relying on the power button. Consider installing apps that offer on-screen power controls as an additional solution. Ensure that you keep these features active for future use. This way, you will have alternative methods at your disposal in case the power button becomes unusable again. Regular check that these settings are enabled to maintain easy access to your device's functions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.